What is up, guys? I've had a lot of people ask me about things that I do at my shop, so this video will go over some of those things so you guys can have more of an understanding of what we do here at Fade to Black. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got my daughter on the camera behind me. We'll show her a little bit later, but thanks for filming. But I just want to take this video really quickly. Also say thank you, because I always say thank you to everyone that checks out the content, that subscribes and leaves comments. I greatly appreciate you guys. But like I said, this video is strictly about the things that I do here at Fade to Black. When customers come in, they like to ask me a lot of times, Wayne, what all do you do here? So I just want to list all those things and go over them really quick with you guys. Try not to bore you. So number one, first things first, is window tinting. So as you can see behind me, I got shades of window tint for automotive. I also got some window tint for home, businesses. So yes, we can do your cars, I can do your homes, and I can also do your business. So window tinting is the main thing I like to do. That's what I do the most. So that's my number one thing at Fade to Black that we do, is automotive, home, and business window tint. Also, another thing I do here at Fade to Black is vinyl wrap. Now you can see behind me, I got some various rolls of vinyl wrap, from full wrap projects to roof wraps to partials to chrome deletes. I have a good friend of mine that I call in on big projects, so we have done a lot of different wrap jobs over the years. So vinyl is another thing that I do. Now in Wisconsin, I have to admit, full wrap projects, we don't do a lot of those, but we can also do those depending on what you got, like carbon fiber hoods, roof wraps, like I said, all that type of stuff. So we definitely enjoy working with vinyl here, and vinyl wrap is one of the things I also do at Fade to Black. Also, another thing, one of my most favorite mobs on all my vehicles is wheels and tires. So I have this wheel rack behind me. As you can see, I got a bunch of various different styles, from chrome to blue to polished black mill colored, bronze. Wheels and tires is one of the things I've always liked to do on my personal vehicles. So yes, I do sell wheels and tires for trucks, cars, UTVs, side-by-sides. I can get you wheels, and I can also have the tires in a package. I can ship them directly to your house, or just have them shipped here for you. So I always just tell people to contact me with the wheel they like. I can send you a bunch of references. I can order them up, try to get you the best price, because I do all the pricing, and I can check the availability to make sure you don't have to wait around. And when you order your wheel and tire package, you get them as soon as you can. So once again, wheel and tires is something I like to do as well. Also, with the wheel and tires, I have availability for ready lift products, so you can get suspension lifts, you can get leveling kits, accessory shocks and stuff. So I'm able to carry the Ready Lift brand too, if you're getting wheels and tires on your vehicle and you want to level it out. So I get those, and I can sell those as well. Also at my shop, if you come into my shop, you'll be able to see I have some airlift merchandise products. I have airlift product on my van for the air ride. So I will be carrying airlift with all the trucks and stuff like I do. I know you guys pull trailers, you have campers and stuff like that. So I want to be able to have airlift products available. That's going to be another thing where you have to contact me. I have to check for pricing, but I always try to hook my customers up, give them the best pricing. So you will see some airlift stuff here. I have product catalogs in my shop if you want to come in and check some of that out. And hopefully I can help you guys out with airlift suspension products too. Another thing that I do is taillight tint. So taillight tints for headlights or taillights, just to smoke them out. A lot of people have wanted to do that over years. I've done a ton of headlight and taillight tinting. Now, once again, I know we're not gonna go black it out and go crazy dark, but I think just having a medium smoke on your taillight sometimes just makes it look a little different and get rid of the red. I have my car here, so I can always show examples. I have dark on my Impala, and I have a medium on my van. So headlight and taillight tinting has been very popular over the years, but some people ask if I do that, and that's another thing that I do. Headlight, taillight tinting, I wrap with vinyl. I don't paint them. Just so you know, that's another service available here at Fade to Black. Another thing at Fade to Black, I've been doing decals for years. Now, decals haven't been as popular over the years, but there's some companies in town where I've done signage on some of their trucks. Some DOT letters, numbers. I mean, sometimes people want to have like banners across their windshield, and I've also given out my own decals to some of my customers that want to rock Fade to Black on anything that they have. So decals and stickers and stuff like that, I have been able to do here at Fade to Black. Like I said, I don't do it as much anymore, but I can also get these done if you want to just do decals for whatever reasons, or rock a Fade to Black decal on your vehicle. Also, I like to carry the glass cleaner that I used for cleaning window tint, because some people ask what should I use after the vehicle is tinted. So I got the spray away glass cleaner that's ammonia free. I have these available here that you can pick up after your tint jobs. So these are also available with the microfiber towels if you want to purchase those after your tint jobs. Also, I like to have my own vehicles here so you can see different examples of window tint, because I have 50% windshield on my van and 5% tint on that one. It's kind of dark, I get it. My car has 65% windshield with 20% sides and rear, so that's gonna be a common install. My sunroof is tinted in 35%, headlight and taillight tinted, wheels and tires. So I like to have these vehicles here so you can actually see what some of the things that I carry look like on an actual vehicle. So when you come in, you're able to check that out and kind of see examples for yourself. And this is a ceramic heat box. I've talked to this on some YouTube shorts and things like that, but the ceramic heat box will let you feel the difference between a carbon and a ceramic feel. So some people wonder what the major difference is between carbon and ceramic. This heat box will help you feel the difference with the heat and putting different tint slides and different shades that I carry in the heat box, so you can have more of an example of how it will react on your vehicle. So this is another thing I have at Fade to Black. When you're here and you come in, you can get to experience the ceramic heat box and the difference between heat and the way it feels on certain films. So those are some of the major things that I carry and work on and my services here at Fade to Black. I don't try to do anything like crazy engine work or any overhaul oil changes, nothing like that. I pretty much do things that will change the looks of your vehicle. I work from Appleton over here to Marshfield with different shops, and usually people will ask me, Wayne, can you do this? If I can do it, I'll try to hook it up. If I can't, I'll try to send it to someone else that I know in the area. So thanks for watching. I greatly appreciate it if you watched through the whole video. If you like any of this content, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, man, please hit that subscribe button. I will come with more content in the future. Thanks to my daughter for filming this video, and until next time, stay faded. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Stay faded. Peace. Hey guys, today we're at Fade to Black LLC shop, and yeah. The car is coming.
So I think what we're going to do, I'm going to follow that forward. I think I'm going to do, this is Wayne from Fade to Black. I just want to show you guys exactly some of the things I do at my shop. Since I've had people ask, so.
Okay.
But I'm going to change the shirt real quick because I don't want to make a Fade to Black shirt.
Alright. Okay guys, so that, one second.
This is where they have the frame on there. How do you do that? Let me see something.
Okay. Bye guys.